In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious kiwi banana smoothie. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 kiwis. We're using golden kiwis, 1 banana, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of ice. In a blender, we're going to add in the kiwis, bananas, milk, and honey, and blend until completely smooth. Once blended, we're going to add in the ice and blend until it's completely crushed. We're going to pour our smoothie out into a glass. Our kiwi banana smoothie is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.